You know, this is a 2002 Mustang, and my last one was a 96. And after I got this thing to pass emissions, I noticed that this thing had a lot more top end power than my 96 did, stock for stock. At least I assume this car is stock inside and everything, but I guess starting in 91 is when they came out with the PI heads, the performance improvement heads and intake. Spun the tires. No turbo yet. So just enough power to have a little bit of fun. Nothing like gonna send you sideways off the road or anything with. Some things I still got to fix on this thing. The AC compressor is causing that squeaking from the engine. I thought it was just gonna be all the idler pulleys like the other car. Yeah, I am driving with the windows pretty much down with no jacket, and I don't even have the heater turned on yet, or haven't needed to, because you know, this is Phoenix. One of the next things I need to do is I did install the QuarterHorse into the EEC5 engine computer. That's what this has, and of course it's a different strategy as my 96, being that this is 6 years newer. So I need to get another strategy, so I might be looking at about another $200 or something if I get it from the same source I got the other one from, to reuse the QuarterHorse and binary editor and all that stuff. So I noticed that the people that make the software for binary editor and all that stuff are now on the same website as the one that makes the strategy, so that should be easy. Anyway,